So I'm looking for some advice, and I'm hoping there are some people out there that can help me. I could do a search on Google for advice on this, but I am so lazy. This has just become easier to just like press a button, make a video, upload it, ask for advice. It's not about anything emotional or personal or anything weird and uninteresting. It's about my computer. I have a black MacBook. I use the webcam built in, and I thought that, I'm not sure if I got a different model or if I just got the color, right or whatever. I thought that the black MacBooks were supposed to be like really fast, and at times I'm not stupid. I don't run 50 applications at once and expect for my videos to come out perfect. But normally when I make videos, I only have maybe one other application, and even if that one's shut down, it overheats a lot. And it's not on my lap. It's on a table. It's on a wood table. And the only thing connected to it is the power wire. Right now I only have Firefox and Photo Booth running. So does anyone know of any ways to stop the overheating from happening, or at least to take the overheating noise out of my video? Because I'm sure that can get annoying. I didn't even know that it was happening. I guess I just, learned how to block it out. But yeah, I could use some help with that. Positive help. If you don't know the answer, if you just think I'm being stupid, you could tell me, but I won't appreciate it. Yeah. Thanks in advance, and in a comment. Bye! Mommy's home. Okay, now I heard her car coming up. She's probably gonna come in soon. But, I just listened to the video that I just made, and I can actually hear the noise, and it doesn't sound like it's overheating right now. Yes? Yeah, I'm home. Yeah, it's on the counter. So, it doesn't sound like it's overheating, so is it just like a default noise? Is that noise going to be in every single one of my videos? Because it's definitely not overheating right now. I do not hear anything, but I know if I stop this video and play it back, I will hear it. It's like a sneaky ninja noise. It's probably got something to do with the webcam being built in. It's my guess. Alright. I gotta go talk to my mom. She's gonna want to know how my day was, and I'm gonna have to ask her how her day was, and, she's gonna tell me to clean my room.